Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to download Homicipher on PC. Alright, let's begin. First, you will need the Steam app on your PC. So to download it, open any preferred browser and search for Steam. Now, open the Install Steam web link, and then download the software on your PC. After the download is completed, install the Steam app and then sign into your account. Once you're done with it, launch Steam and this page will appear in front of you. Simply search for Homicipher and then access game from the search results. Now, in order to download it, you will first need to buy it. For that, click on the Add to Cart button, select View Cart, click on Continue to Payment, and then choose the payment method to complete the process. So that's basically how you can download Homicipher on PC. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.